This is 13 News First Alert Weather.
We're seeing clear conditions across much of northeastern Kansas, but there are some clouds setting up along the I-35 corridor from our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort live storm tracker. You can see some sporadic clouds throughout the skies from our Midland exterior sky cam in NODA right now. Looks busy down there with lots of cars lining the street and just a beautiful scene out there at that park. Current temperatures are in the 60s right now across northeast Kansas, so we are really starting to warm up, and we're going to continue warming up as we go into the afternoon hours. Your dew points are in the 30s and 40s, so it does feel a little bit dry, not a lot of humidity in the air, and so you may want to bring that chapstick with you because it could be drier as we go throughout the day, with our current wind gusts between 10 and 35 miles per hour from that southwestward direction. You might also want to secure those loose objects outdoors, maybe that outdoor furniture, maybe that trash can if you have it out today. That'd be a smart idea because it is gusty, and if those things are empty or if those things are light, it can make those things fly away or get pushed down the street. So that is something you just want to take into account. Today's forecast overall, I am forecasting our high temperatures to be in the 70s, and we will see those sunny skies as we go throughout our day, continuing to persist at least through the early evening hours. As we go throughout our afternoon, we'll rise quickly from the 60s to the mid-70s, then drop through the 60s into the 50s by the early morning hours tomorrow morning. Our wind gusts will stay really between around 20 to 30 miles per hour throughout much of today into the afternoon and even into the overnight hours over the next 12 hours. Overall, tonight's forecast, we will be in the 50s and we will see mostly cloudy skies, so we'll start to see more cloud cover during the late evening hours, and then that cloud cover will continue to persist as we go into tomorrow, as most of the day will be cloudy, but we'll start to see clearing as we go into the late afternoon and into the evening before we clear out for the overnight hours. And as we take a look from our supercast, we will see cloud cover start to build late, more cloud cover, thicker cloud cover at that going throughout tomorrow morning. The possibility for a chance of rain as we go throughout the late morning hours into the afternoon. That clears out. Then we are clear through at least tomorrow afternoon, or Saturday afternoon, excuse me, before we start to see our next chances of rain. With that chance of rain, we could see between 1/10 and around 4/10 of an inch of rain. And our 8-day forecast overall shows that warming trend, and we also will see the chance for storms late on Saturday. Jared?